Hey guys! So right now we're going to unbox Sick Shawol Japan Magazine Volume 3. Where is it? 3. Here you go. 3. Yes, so I got it together with Volume 1 and 2. And if you want to see unboxing for this, just go to my channel or I put the link down below. We'll see what I will do. But again, I will put them one after the other, so don't you worry. Anyway, this how it's look like. Sorry for the glare. And yes, I'm filming in sunlight, it's really nice. And this, like the shiny over here is texturized. Like, it's, you can feel the letters, it's really, really nice. Also the Sick. And the design of Sick here is a little bit different than the first two volumes. But the back again has this big picture. And of course you can go without a little bit of English, so here you go, a little bit of English. And the spine in here is pink. Here you go. It's a neon pink, really pretty. And well, optical illusion, SHINee become 10-member group. No, just kidding. One picture. The other one. They look like they're 10-member group. It's really funny. Okay. Here we have this. This is all the content, and there's like small pictures. That I'm going to briefly look for this because I think we'll see them in bigger inside. What the hell? Look at them, they're so cute. Oh my god. They're so adorable! Oh my god! Look at them. They're so cute. Oh my god. You're idiots. I love these pictures over here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at them. Look at this. Super adorable. Oh, and this picture. It's a really important picture. Please fuck it. Polaroids, super cute as well. By the way, I got them off eBay. All of them cost me $25 each. So I think it's an okay price. It's a really okay price. Because I saw people buying these kinds of magazines for like $60 one. So I'm fine with it. It's really okay price for me. Key page, lots of key. Is edgy black, okay? Just so you know, is edgy black. I guess this concept. Mino is stylish black. Okay. Temini is mood black. Why are you wearing like this? You look like a girl. Like, look at his pose. Seriously. Especially where you put your hands. Then here is cool black. And Onyo is tough black. Why? Because he has a leather jacket, is tough. It's Onyo. He's soft like a tofu, the whole thing. Well, young, I'm imaged because this was like in the start, this one in the end. I'm just assuming maybe this is summer of 2013, this is winter 2014, I don't know. They don't have dates on them, so you need to imagine and to figure it out with their hair. Now this is definitely everybody hair. No, it's not everybody hair. He's blonde. So I'm a bit more confused. Yeah. 2013 probably when they had their pretty hitters from, you know, from Korea. This thing is adorable. Trying to figure it out. I think they started with, I don't know, okay. Maybe it was around Christmas, this concert, so I'm showing you stuff. Whoa, boom. Yeah. Oh, cheerleader me now. It's important. Wait. Because it was really important to focus on this. Just saying. A lot of writing again. I don't know. Like figure out the year, like the date it came out. Like, in Super Junior it was so much easier because these 2 and 3 look so close in dates to one another. It's slightly confusing. Like the only difference in here is pretty much them in from light brown to black. So I need to figure out when this happened. Weird stuff. I think this hands. Like this against sections. I have no idea what you're talking about. Ooh, whoa, 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 whoa. Hello, boys. Look at them. This is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, yeah? Okay. Whoa, this is a huge in the picture. And everything over here is green. It's really nice. Whoa. You are absolutely gorgeous. Jinhan. Look flawless. Oh, I love this. Love this kind of concept. There's angels in white, and it's fine because they have like this black photo shoots in, and now there's like white photo shoots. Key. Whoa. You with your porcelain skin. Wow. So pretty. Today gonna finish this unboxings. It's like the last unboxing for today, and then I have 2 reactions to film, and then I'm going to add it. Like I want to try to I want to try to edit at least 3 videos. You know, I'm trying to ignore you. Tiny picture. Oh my god. Oh my god. Can you see with my biceps in SHINee? Can you feel it? Oh, the most gorgeous spice ever. My biceps are the best. Oh my god. Oh my god, it looks so good. Especially with the dark hair with the white color. So 321 came out, but 321 came out in the middle of 2015. Like it came out summer 2013. So maybe this is. So now I'm really confused. Because it shows me something. This shooting was in the middle of 2013, and the concert was in the end of 2013, and I'm just really confused. And here, everybody, you see, it's end of 2013. Everybody, and I don't know. Super confused. Another one of these segment pages. Okay. Again, somewhere to shopping. They're doing it a lot. But it's a lot of picture of them, so. I think who is Junki biased is getting really a lot of stuff in these magazines. And then the rest of the idiots going to do something. I don't know, car racing maybe? They're shooting, I don't know, they're going to play games and I guess. Pictures, pictures, pictures. Sorry, I'm quiet. It just my hand hurts from doing this, so it's really doing unboxing like this makes you really work hard. Oh, wow. Food. I guess it's their favorite food. I don't know. What we're talking about. Look here. On the schedule in Japan. And there is so much stuff, especially compared to Super Junior one, just because SHINee actually promoting in Japan. So there's a lot of stuff to cover and a lot of stuff to do. Maybe that's why there are so many volumes. Like their volumes are so thick. Like with Super Junior, the of Japan, I think it was probably the first that they ever did. Like any of this SM. So it was much less stuff and to talk only about pretty much Super Junior in Tokyo Dome. With Super Show 4. So this one, however, from the start talked about a lot of subjects. Like they took the stuff they learned from Super Junior and applied over here, and together with all the stuff that they're doing, because SHINee doing a lot of stuff. I feel like they need to put this stuff out quite like more often, just because there's so much to talk about. Oh my god, I'm hungry. This is so random, sorry. I need to edit so many stuff. I have like at least 12 13 videos that I need to edit. I'm just, because I'm not uploading like multiple, here, banners again. I'm not uploading like 3 videos a day. I'm trying to do it at least one every other day, or at least once a day, or any other day, something like this. Not all the time. It's, you know, takes time, and I'm filming in a day. I can film in one day, depend on the packages, like 3 unboxings or something like this, and then there is Tamin that's made me do a reaction to 7 different stuff. So it's also this. So it takes time to upload everything, and what I really want to do is try to edit everything and put everything on YouTube in a private, and then, you know, every day to put my video up, or something like this. In the merchandise of today, I only want the slippers. I don't know what the boxes are, but the slippers are cool. This is it, and that's it. So this was Sick Volume 3. I will buy the rest 3 volumes in the future, and then I will be up to date with this, which will be fantastic. Again, I'm working on just trying to find it on eBay or Yahoo auctions or something like this for them, because they're quite rare. But I'm really happy that I have them, because for me these magazines are really important to the collection, because I don't know, you have so much content in here and so much new stuff, and for me they're important. I don't know even why, but they're official and they're important to me, so they're part of my collection. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Bye.